Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Divinely Transformed. My name is Lisa, and whether you're new or returning, I'm glad that you're here. Welcome to your weekend rune for November 26th, 27th, and 28th of 2021. The rune that came out today was Jera for this weekend. It means year, and the key word is triumph. So yesterday I was talking about look over the last year of your life. What have you accomplished? What have what still needs work? But if you have come out of hardship and you're coming into this abundant energy here, like that is a huge accomplishment, and you should be proud of that because this is from all the hard work that you've done. Jera is tied to the seasons and with harvest time in particular. So this is harvest time for you, Empresses. The card depicts an abundance of ripe fruits and ears of wheat, symbolizing times of good fortune where we finally reap what we have sown. Our efforts are rewarded, and we ourselves approach life with serenity and joy that nourish our environment. It is the time of abundance. Everything flows with ease, and we must now slacken our rhythm to enjoy the fruits of our labor. It would be a shame to not fully savor these moments. So you're coming into a really blessed time, full of abundance. If you've done the work and you've transformed, coming into major abundance right now. Everything will flow with ease. But so now it's time to slow down how we've been doing things. Like if you've been working really hard, it's time to slow down. It's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor because good things are happening for you. So savor the moments fully. Do our thoughts wander constantly, or are we able to be in the present and focus on what we have? What sensation does the future give us? Does it give us anxiety or optimism? Well, if you're coming into abundance, then you're definitely seeing the future with optimism. And do we feel capable of realizing our dreams? Jera makes us calmer and present in ourselves. It dispels anxiety and has a relaxing power. So, there's nothing to worry about right now. Everything is great. Everything is on track. Everything is probably going to be much better than you ever thought. So, I'm hearing that Bob Marley song. I don't even know what it's called, but every little thing is gonna be all right, and it will be. And it's gonna be better than what you thought it was gonna be. 333 on the counter. This is a collaboration, team effort from the universe and the divine, gifting you a precious gift. Many precious gifts of abundance. This is your harvest. This is your reward. It's here. So, congratulations for all of your hard work, for all of this abundance that's going to be trickling in for you now. I'm so proud of you and excited for you. And I am actually, with you on that. And it'll be an adventure that just be sure to just feel those emotions fully and enjoy them as they come, because you've worked very hard for those. So I'll just leave this weekend rune to this. Leave it short. There's really no need to harp on this. The short was long. All the readings have been long lately. This one doesn't need to be long. I'm just going to end it here. I do appreciate everyone's support, as always. please don't forget to give these a thumbs up so other people can see them too. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to y'all soon.